Welcome to Lévis, just across the St. Lawrence River from Old Quebec. It's peaceful, it's historic, and it's full of charm. Today, I'll take you on a self-guided walking tour through this lovely riverside town, one step at a time. Let's begin at the Gare Fluviale in Quebec City's lower town. Hop on the ferry with me. It's just 12 minutes across, and the views are stunning. You'll see Chateau Frontenac sitting like a crown over the cliffs. At only $4 a ride, it's one of the best deals in town. We've landed at Lévis. This building isn't just a terminal, it's a piece of history. Back in the 1800s, it was a city hall, then a train station. Now it's your gateway to a slower, scenic stroll through town. Take the stairs up. Yes, there are quite a few, but trust me, it's worth it. At the top, we reach Terrasse du Chevalier-de-Lévis, a peaceful park with flowers, statues, and the best views of Quebec City you'll find on this side of the river. This spot was inaugurated by King George VI and Princess Elizabeth in 1939. Take your time here, breathe, snap a few photos. You're standing on history with a view. From here, stroll into Avenue Bégin, the beating heart of Old Lévis. The buildings whisper stories from the 19th century. Stop by Au Petit Oignon, a local deli that's been around forever. Great coffee, even better sandwiches. A little further down is Edifice Desjardins, a 6-story Art Deco building. This is where the Desjardins Group started, Canada's famous credit union. There's a museum inside, but sadly, it was closed when I visited. Just a few blocks away is the Maison Alphonse-Desjardins. This is where it all began, the home and office of the Desjardins family. It's free to enter, and the guided tour is well worth it. The staff are lovely, bilingual, passionate, and full of stories. Cross the square and you'll reach Notre-Dame-de-la-Victoire, built in 1851. It's a beautiful neoclassical stone church. Back in 1759, the empty fields here were used by General Wolfe to bombard Quebec, a powerful reminder of the area's past. Next up, Collège de Lévis. Founded in the 1850s, it was one of the first schools on this side of the river. It's still running today, with a performance hall and sports complex. When I visited, school was in session, so no peeking inside. Now here's a surprise, the Pierre-Georges-Roy Library. Once a church, now a cozy public library with big columns and a natural light. It's a peaceful place for locals, and a lovely stop if you're wandering with a book in hand. Just next door is the Fresque Desjardins de Lévis, a giant mural celebrating the town's history. Painted by local artists, it's full of characters, details, and a vibrant energy. You'll see faces from Lévis' past, and maybe feel part of the story too. To wrap up, head down the Escalier Rouge, the red staircase. Built in 1869, painted red in the 1980s, it's now an icon. There are 120 steps. Take your time and enjoy the views with everyone. And that's Lévis, calm, scenic, and full of hidden gems. A perfect day trip from Quebec City, but a world apart in pace. Thanks for joining me on this self-guided walk. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow traveler. Let me know in the comments. Have you crossed over to Lévis before? Or is it now on your list?